Today we're doing an unboxing of a blind box of this teddy bear. Okay, Finley wants to unbox a blind item that came today. Finley, you're gonna knock down the camera. So, I'm trying to keep him from that. He gets excited when he sees packages. Hold on. So this is a blind box item that was sent to me. And I want to know what it is because I don't know what is in here. So it looks like with the bears, you can get one of the ones that are shown. And never watched a movie, but I do collect bears, so I'm actually opening it up from the bottom instead of the top. And it came from the MART store. So let's see. Don't knock down the camera, baby. Don't knock down the camera. Ready? So what did we get? Aw, I wanted him to be smiling. He's too excited. Okay, so Finley had knocked down the camera. Sorry. What do you say? Sorry. Okay. So I wanted to finish the video and show you guys. We ended up getting the cowboy bear. And this came directly from Pop Mart. I don't know if they're making these fake or not, but here's what the tags look like when you get it straight from the shop that sells them. And like I said before, they have Bo the Bear, Best Bear, Cowboy Bear, which is the one that we got, Raincoat Bear, Party Bear, and Necktie Bear. And again, that's what they look like. And we got the one all the way at the end. So that was a cool experience to open them up. And then they come with a little card attached that shows you which one you got. And when you open them, don't open them from the bottom. That's what I did. Because I think the little card is stuck at the bottom so that when you open it up, the first thing you see is the card. But I opened it from the bottom. But that's okay. And as you can see, mine has a QR code. So you know that it is authentic. And you can keep them like this. Or Amazon has a big selection of 6.inches and up of clothing that you can buy them to accessorize them and match your outfits or your bags. But I think I'm going to keep them like this and put them on a travel bag, a backpack, and I think he'll be fine. I am going to buy, I saw someone on Instagram talking about securing these so that they don't fall off. So I am going to buy the tie that goes around it to make it not fall off and make it more secure. Because this clip, think about it, if you push up against it, it'll fall. And anyway, I'm happy with him. I didn't want a sad bear and I didn't want a bear with a frown face. But he looks happy. And I like that he's open to accessorize differently. And Finley thinks it's his toy, but it's not. So me and Finley are going away now. Say bye-bye. Bye, everybody. So real quick, guys, I wanted, before I ended the video, I wanted to show you how to accessorize the bear. And I decided I wanted to accessorize him with, I took the cowboy hat off, but I wanted him to be more of, see, here's our helper, Finley. I wanted him to look brainy. Finley has his paws on my camera. Finley, please. And so from Amazon, I got a package of his eyeglasses. and they go all the way around, and I thought they would fall off, but they seem to be really sturdy and sticking on. His mouth was moving, so when it's tilted, he looks kind of sarcastic. And since I like to take a lot of pictures, I went ahead and decided to get the camera too. I like how it says smile on it, because my kids always are like, why are you always having to take pictures? I take a lot of pictures of Finley too. If you have Instagram, follow Finley G, the Cavapoo, and you will find Finley has his own Instagram page. So I thought it matched really good. Right now, it's not hanging because what I did is, see our friend right there, Finley. Anyways, I hung it on my backpack because right now I'm using my backpack. And I just thought with the black and the yellow, it looked really good with the bag. And the little package came with shoes, but it don't fit him. I think the shoes are for like Labubu's or something. But as you can see, I didn't want him turning, so I have him completely cinched on the handle. That's why it's not moving. But otherwise it'd be hanging. But I figured that way it'd be more secure. But if you're looking at him hanging on the bag, that's what he would look like. And I thought that was a cuter look than the cowboy hat. So I wanted you guys to see how I am going to style him and use him. So let me know in the comments below if you get one and how you style him. Until next time, don't forget to subscribe. Bye.